Three young women who have never entered into a final round of a World Cup before, up against experienced shooters, and the gold medalist making her face and talent be known, was the background for 50-meter rifle, three positions woman. Hungary's 22-year-old shooter, Ildikó Karmacsi, who's never entered into a final round of a World Cup, entered in first place with a total of 591 points, with a 3-point lead. Wowing the spectators with a perfect 10.9 in her first shot, Karmacsi added some more distance between herself and her contenders. A 10.7 on her fourth shot had the young Hungarian up by 2.7 of a point. Striving forward and shooting consistently, Karmacsi demonstrated that the next generation of shooters is more than ready to duel it out for the podium. And that's exactly what she did, finishing on the highest step of the podium with her very first World Cup medal, the shiniest one of all, the gold, with a total of 690.3 points. The People's Republic of China's 2008 Olympic Games gold medalist Du Li entered into the final in second place with a total of 588 points. The 2009 World Cup final silver medalist tried to put pressure on Karmacsi, but she didn't manage. Yet shooting for the silver, Du, who just won the bronze in London, set her sights on for the silver and did just that, finishing in the same position she started off in and winning her second World Cup medal of the 2012 season with a total of 688.8 points and the silver. The fight for the bronze was on and captured on the ninth shot. Germany's 2010 world champion, Barbara Englander, entered into the final in sixth place with a total of 585 points and fought it out for the bronze with the People's Republic of China's Yi Siling, who entered in third with 587 points. Yi, who was in third after a 10.2 on her eighth shot, was only up by 1/10 of a point over Englander, who had climbed up the scoreboard. Shot 9 for Englander, a 10.3 over Yi's 9.8, put the 2011 World Cup final gold medalist ahead of Yi by 1.9 of a point. Englander finished off with a 10.7 and sealed the deal for the bronze after shooting the highest score of the final, 102.7 points, and finishing with 687.7 points in the bronze. Fourth place went to the People's Republic of China's one-time World Cup bronze medalist in this discipline, Yi Siling, with a total of 686.9 points. Fifth place went to Poland's 2006 World Championship silver medalist, Sylwia Bogacka, with a total of 686.0 points. Sixth place went to Great Britain's 20-year-old shooter, Jennifer McIntosh, who has never entered into a final round of a World Cup before. McIntosh finished with a total of 685.2 points. Seventh place went to the Russian Federation's 22-year-old shooter, Daria Vidovina, who has also never entered into a final round of a World Cup. Vidovina finished with a total of 684.4 points. And eighth place went to the Czech Republic's one-time World Cup bronze medalist, Adela Sigurova, with a total of 683.3 points.